guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you some things that I got for Valentine's Day for home decor, and I actually spent less than $100 on all these, which I'm pretty impressed. I got a few decor pieces for the living room as well as the kitchen, so I'm going to show you what I've got. I went to Kohl's. Dollar Tree surprisingly has really cute things for Valentine's Day, and they're cheap. They're like $1.25 for each piece, which I'll be showing you. And then at the end I went to Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby has a sale going on for Valentine's Day, so I picked up really cute things. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the first things that I've got are pillows, and they were from Kohl's. So they actually were on the clearance rack for Christmas time, which I was a little bit surprised because they have pink in them, but hey. So I was returning something on Amazon at Kohl's, and I saw these and I'm like, these are perfect for Valentine's Day. They're super cute. They're like a tweed material, as you see, and it has some pink in it, pink, red, and white. So perfect for Valentine's Day, and they're very cozy and soft. So, but they still have a good shape, so when you put it on the couch, it'll look really nice, and they're a really good size. And I got these for like 16 bucks at Kohl's for each pillow, so I got 2 of those. So there's one, and there's the other that I've got, and this is the brand that it was. They were originally 40 bucks, as you see here, but I got them for 16 bucks because, like I said, they were on clearance for Christmas time. So check those out. Maybe they have them at your local Kohl's. So I'm moving where I can actually put things down because I got some glass pieces which are gonna go on my dining table. So let me show you what I got. And they were $1.25 each, which is amazing for this. So this is the different glass that I got, and I will make a little DIY to put things in it, maybe some candles. I'm still figuring out what to do, but $1.25 for these. So I got 4 of those. So as you see here, I think one of them has a different design on it, but so this is my second one. So I got 4. Oh yes, and this one, which was really cute, and I'm thinking of putting it in the center of them all. This has a little love thing. $1.25, guys. I could not beat that price. I also got these cute little wood heart picks, which I'm going to do a DIY. So I got them in red. Again, $1.25. And I got pink ones as well. So I'll be using those. And at Hobby Lobby, I got the majority of the things, which they're super cute, and they were 40% off. So I got some things because I'm also going to be doing a photo shoot of my little one, Alec, for Valentine's Day. So I got some pieces with that, but I could also use that as a decor around the house. So first thing that I got is this cute little teddy bear. So originally $5.49, I think I paid like $1 or something for it. So next, what I got is these cute little hearts. So I can also put them around the house, and I'll show you how I'm going to style every one of them. But I will use this for the photo shoot as well. I also got these cute heart hanging decor. So there's 3 strands and 6 heart per strand that I'll be using. And this will also be for a photo shoot. So I got 2 of these. Then I got these cute I love you sign, super cute. Then I got these heart cutouts, which I'm going to be making little cookies for Valentine's Day for my hubby and for my kids. So I'll make a video of that as well. And then I got these pretty roses, which look very lifelike, and they're nice material. So I got 3 of them. And one of them I'm actually going to be using for an outdoor piece. I'm going to be putting this on the door. So it's this cute little heart, and it's with wooden little balls that they have all around, as you see here. And what I'm planning on doing is incorporating these roses to make like a nice piece for outside for the door. And I also got this cute garland, which I'll probably use around something to wrap it around, but it has cute little metal hearts on it, as you see, and then these pieces you can move around. And they kind of look like little hearts as well, and they're pink and white. Super cute. I love it. And it's pretty long, so that'll be fun. And the last thing that I got, which I'm thinking when I first saw this, to put the candle on it as far as like on the centerpiece like this. So I got this heart, and it's wooden heart, and it's a bunch of hearts. It's like a tree heart almost. So these are super cute, but this is what I've got. And this is all under $100, guys. So this was definitely a good buy. I'm gonna show you very shortly. I'll probably upload another video of how I styled everything. All right, thanks so much for watching.